We all know that when it comes to water, every drop counts. But what happens to the water after it's been used and becomes wastewater? In the 20th century, the prevailing wisdom around wastewater management was that the solution to pollution is dilution. However, with soaring water demand and dwindling traditional supplies, wastewater is now being considered as a primary source of water, even for drinking. And so we're now seeing dilution is no longer the solution. My lab explores salty solutions, or brines, produced by advanced treatment and other industrial processes, where our mission is to close the loop on wastewater management by facilitating water reuse, enabling resource recovery, and mitigating environmental pollution. One way we're doing this is by giving old desalination membranes, the barriers used to remove salts and other dissolved elements from water, a second life. We're developing methods that enable membranes to be repurposed for brine concentration rather than being discarded, pushing water recoveries even higher. To ensure that our research has real-world relevance, we're also engaging with stakeholders from municipalities, government agencies, startups, and industry leaders to map out how mineral resources can be recovered responsibly and efficiently. And to inform decision makers, we are using techno-economic analysis to help weigh costs, impacts, and outcomes of zero liquid discharge technologies. That way, we can build a more sustainable, water-wise future together.